As you know, we've been talking a lot about marine animals in class. Some ocean life is air-breathing and needs to come up for air, but most breathe completely underwater. From this chart, you can see that whales have blowholes that aid them in getting air. In fact, whales are mammals like us, so they use lungs to breathe in oxygen. In this picture, you may notice that many of this humpback whale's organs are very similar to ours. It is the same situation for a dolphin, which is also a mammal. As you see, the dolphin has lungs and blowholes that are used for breathing the same as the whale. Marine animals that come up for air don't have to be mammals. Sea turtles do, and they're reptiles. It all has to do with having lungs. So why do some animals need to come up for air and others don't? The answer to this question lies in the water. There is actually oxygen in the water that fish use to breathe by using their gills. A fish breathes by absorbing oxygen from the water it drinks. Water flows into the fish's open mouth, through the gills, and out of the body through the gill slits. As water flows through the gills, the oxygen it contains passes into the blood through the gill structure called filament. This is also the case with sharks. Sharks are classified as fish and breathe much the same way as the fish do in your fishbowl at home, using oxygen in the water and their gills. Animals that breathe with gills are categorized as fish. By looking at the shark anatomy, it is easy to see that fish's bodies work in a much different way than our own. Today, we've dove into some ideas about how life is under the sea, but there's so much more to learn. We've barely got our feet wet.